In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD Error 1603 on Windows. So let's get straight into the steps. First, repair your Windows system files. Click the Start button and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter and wait while Windows checks and repairs the system image. This process can take several minutes, so let it finish completely. Next, repair Microsoft Visual C++ components. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Microsoft Visual C++. You may see several Visual C++ redistributable packages. For each one, click the three dots, select Modify, and then choose Repair. Wait for the repair to finish, then repeat the same process for the other Visual C++ packages listed on your computer. Once you've finished repairing them, return to the Command Prompt window and make sure the DISM scan has completed. When it reaches 100%, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, try installing or updating your AMD graphics drivers. If AMD Error 1603 is still appearing, try reinstalling the latest AMD drivers. Open your web browser and search for the official AMD drivers and support page. Make sure you're using AMD's official website rather than downloading drivers from an unknown third-party source. Find the drivers for your graphics card and Windows version, then download the latest available package. Once the download completes, open the installer from your Downloads folder. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and allow the installation to complete. If the installer provides an option for a clean installation or factory reset, you can use it when appropriate, especially if you suspect an older driver is interfering with the installation. Once the installation finishes, restart your computer again. Finally, try launching the AMD software or installing the driver that previously produced the Error 1603 message. If the error is gone, the problem should now be resolved. If you're still getting Error 1603, check the AMD support documentation for your specific graphics card and Windows version, as the cause can vary between systems. And that's it! Those are the main steps to fix AMD Error 1603 on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows troubleshooting and PC tutorials. See you in the next video.